everybody, this is Saachi Goyal and welcome back to my channel Dirty Shoes. So in my last video I told you things to do in Bali for honeymooners, and in this video I am going to tell you things not to do while planning your trip to Bali. And trust me, these experiences have come from my own trip, the things which I really regret I should not be doing when I was in Bali. Without making this introduction extra long, let's directly jump into the video. The first major mistake which one does while planning a trip to Bali is having a travel agent. Well guys, हर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा confident नहीं होता जब भी एक बाहर की trip हमें plan करनी होती है. But this is not a rocket science. You can always according to your needs and according to your budget. Because travel agents हमेशा extra money charge करते हैं because they are planning it for you, they are organizing the things for you, so they always want that commission. So जब मैंने last video अपनी डाली थी, people asked what was the total budget for that trip, and I told you it was something 1.5 lakhs. Many of you said that it is expensive, and I'm telling you it is expensive because Bali is not that expensive place, frankly speaking. But if you are having a travel agent, and obviously he can make things more costly. But also, even if you are planning a trip through a travel agent, you should be very cautious what he is planning for you. So you should be well prepared कि क्या करना है आपको, कहाँ जाना है आपको, क्या आपकी priorities हैं, क्या आपका interest है. तो you should discuss these things with him very frankly. So that is the only way you can never regret when you come back home. Second thing is that I really regret wasting my time in doing the water activity. On the second day of my trip, we went to Benua Harbour for the water activities. And I think if you are already putting so much time, energy, money into planning a trip, तो आपको वो चीजें करनी चाहिए वहाँ जाके जो हमारी country में available नहीं है. And water sport activities are there in India, like we have in Daman and Diu, in Goa, in Lakshadweep, and in Andaman Nicobar Islands. So India is full of water sports activities. So I think you don't have any reason to waste a day in Bali doing the water activities. So instead of going to the water activities, I could have utilized my time exploring the local temples like Monkey Forest, Uluwatu Temple, Ubud Temple, Nusa Dua. So there are so many places to explore in Bali. So I just want to advise you guys, ditch water activities. Now third thing which I'm going to tell you is entirely up to you. Some plan their trip just to lay down their back and relax, and some book their tickets to Bali to explore local cuisine, to explore local culture. But I just want to make it clear, like in my last video there is a comment that गिली त्रिवांगन में कुछ नहीं है देखने के लिए, इससे अच्छा है कि आप local culture, local चीज़ें explore करते. So that's what I want to say you कि it's up to you if you want a relaxing trip. Obviously गिली त्रिवांगन island is like a paradise. If you want that relaxing trip, you can obviously go to Gili Trivangan. And also if you're going there, then I just want you, don't waste time there. Scuba diving is really famous of the Gili Trivangan island, so if you're going there, just do it. Now for the bounty cruise, if you are a couple and you are seeking a private time for yourself, then you can ditch bounty cruise for sure, because I think bounty cruise is a kind of thing which is suitable for family. If you're a family, you will enjoy the magic show, you will enjoy the dance performance, you will enjoy the Zumba they do, you will enjoy each and everything. But if you're a couple and you seeking some privacy, you are seeking some time together, then obviously bounty cruise is not a thing for you. They'll not give you any personal time because they are just shows which are going on, which are banging on you, and you don't have a time even to talk to each other. So I think you can ditch bounty cruise. The advice I want to give is that don't just stay in hotels, because Bali is very famous for its open stays in lush green forest areas. So just go and explore some different kind of stays. Don't waste your time in hotels. Bali is a place which gives you an exposure, staying amongst the lush green forest, under the sky, under the camps. They have so many options for the stay. So if you're planning a trip, then definitely opt for something different to stay in. So that's all for this video. These are the things which I want to tell you while you're planning a trip to Bali. You just keep these points in mind and you'll be having most amazing time in that beautiful thing, because personally speaking, I am in love with this place. I really want to go back because there are so many things that are left uncovered. So, that's So that's all for this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, you subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to share this video to the person or to the couple who are planning a trip to Bali. They should consider these points. So come on, be a helping hand and share this video to them. So that's all what I have to say related to this trip. Then just pop up in the comment box down below, and I'll catch you later. Bye.